Have you ever opened your investment account expecting to see money growing only to find a negative balance? That's exactly what happened to me. I logged into my EasyEquity account and saw negative 242.32 cents. I was shocked. I immediately started asking myself questions. I knew that they do charge something and people have been complaining about having to pay this extra amount. I immediately started asking myself questions. How is this even possible? I haven't been buying or selling anything. So I called EasyEquities support, and what they told me made me realize that I have been making a costly investment mistake for months. If you invest on EasyEquity, you need to watch this video because the same thing could be happening to you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online, we build wealth, and most importantly, fix our money mistakes together. I've been reading the book called The Psychology of Money, and one of the lessons that I've learned there is the money that we keep, it is the one that is going to make us wealthy than the one that we're spending. So money must come to us. We need to find a way to increase our money instead of just putting money there without doing anything. The truth is, nobody becomes wealthy without making mistakes, but today we are going to fix that mistake. The difference is successful investors learn from them. So today I'm going to show you one of my own mistakes, explaining why it happened, and show you exactly how I'm fixing it. So let's get to it. So this is what happened. When I logged into my EasyEquity account, I saw negative 242.32. I honestly couldn't understand. I wasn't actively trading. I wasn't withdrawing money. So where did the money go? I contacted EasyEquity support, and after checking my account, they explained exactly what happened. They told me my account has been incurring Thrive fees. So my first question was, what is Thrive? So I'm going to explain. Thrive is EasyEquity loyalty rewards program. Its purpose is to encourage good investing habits. The more positive investing habits you have, the higher Thrive level you become. And as your level increases, you unlock benefits like lower brokerage fees, rewards up to 100% brokerage discount on selected Thrive stock. So to move up the level, EasyEquity give you a simple investing challenge. Every challenge completed earns you a rocket. The more rockets you collect, the higher your Thrive level becomes. So the mistake that I made is I stopped being consistent. I wasn't investing regularly. I wasn't completing the Thrive challenges. Because of that, my Thrive level dropped below level 3. And starting from November 2023, EasyEquity charged a 25 Rand monthly Thrive fee to investors below Thrive level 3. The fee is taken from your available cash. So if there's no cash available, EasyEquity may even sell some of your shares during certain months to recover their fee. So for me, I have BEE shares, so they already started putting money from that. So this 200 and something is actually going to be sold when the time comes. That's exactly why my account kept going more and more negative. It wasn't fraud, it wasn't a system error, it was my own lack of consistency and also not learning. So one thing that I've learned of this financial journey is this: building wealth isn't just about investing, it's about staying consistent. Small habits repeated every month produce big results over time, and that's exactly what we are doing in this channel. We're fixing our money mistakes one mistake at a time, because every mistake teaches us how to become a better self. So let's just fix the problem so that you can understand. I am going to switch over to my laptop. I am going to deposit 40 Rand. Guys, with EasyEquity, you can even deposit 1 Rand if you want. So I am going to deposit 40 Rand into my EasyEquity account because that's the quickest way for me to get to Thrive level 3. So if I deposit this money into my account, I qualify for level 3. Again, stop paying the monthly driving fee, because guys, even if you don't deposit, they are going to take 25 Rand. So you might as well pay 25 Rand. That is going to be your money and not withdraw it. I'll also show you exactly how do I do it. So if you are in the same situation, you can follow along. I am going to use my phone because most people are using their phones. So before going to my laptop, let me explain these Thrive levels so that you can understand. So these are the things that you can do to increase your Thrive level even without depositing money. The first one is Thrive Education. You earn 1 rocket. The second one, you refer a friend, you earn 3 rockets. And then Platform Evangelist Financial Health, you earn 1. And then you deposit more than you withdraw, which is the one that